Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and we like to talk about handbags here on this channel, and I do some reviews. And if you're not new and you're returning, welcome back guys. It's so good to see you again. Today I am just gonna do this quick little Coach reveal. This is just a small reveal. It's not a handbag. However, it is adorable and I wanted to show it to you guys. And then I'm gonna run through some of my other bags just to kind of show you why I like to use this particular item on these bags. So stay tuned for the later part of this video. So let's go ahead and just get right into what I got at Coach today. Here's the bag. And so I saw this strap on social media, on Instagram, and I already have a version of it. But then I saw this one and I thought, ooh, this is super, super cute. So we'll go ahead and get into the bag. And then just to show you that I got the new, it's the rainbow strap, but it's the pastel rainbow strap. And it's absolutely adorable. It's got ivories in the shades of pink, yellow, green, like an aqua color. It does have blue in it, and then some lavender, and then black at the end. It does have gray as well. And the thing I really, really like about this one is that it has silver hardware. So I'm gonna compare this to my other straps that I have, just to kind of show you the differences. But the main reason why I got this one is to use on my blue Bandit. Okay, now, the blues don't quite match. However, that's okay with me. Whenever I use my Bandit shoulder bags, I really enjoy using them with shorter shoulder straps. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like with this on, and I think it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna have the tag on it still, sorry. So yes, the silver hardware matches absolutely perfectly with this bag. And it just looks so pretty. I love that. And I don't know, I just feel like I usually wear these bags more as shoulder bags anyway. And this just is so easy just to strap a strap onto the top of these doohickeys right here at the top. And then I'm just out the door. So I just really, really like this look with this bag in particular. I was thinking about getting it's like a link strap that's silver. I was thinking about getting that one. It's on the Mira bag, I believe, but then I decided against it to go with this one. So it's just so much fun. And if I get any other silver hardware Coach bags, it can work with those ones as well. So let me show you the Bandit collection now with all the updated straps that I like to accessorize them with. It's kind of fun because they each kind of have their own. So all these straps I believe are still available. This one is at the Coach retail store. So there's this one here. I have my chalk Bandit adorned with the resin link strap here. And now this strap, actually, it's the confetti. It's got beautiful colors throughout, and it's the resin. This is not the Coach Topia ones that have the silver hardware. This one does have the gold, so it works with this bag really well. The one thing I want to let you guys know about the resin straps though, they are a little squeaky. They are a tad squeaky. That's probably a negative, but you know, you live with it. So, but it's beautiful, love it on. And as far as the feeling on my shoulder, it doesn't really bother me so bad. If I had like a tank top on, or if I was showing my collarbone more, it may dig in a little bit. But if you have like a jacket on or a sweatshirt or anything that's gonna cover your shoulder, it's not gonna dig in too badly. So here we have this look of this beauty. Okay, so for my dark stone Bandit, which I'm obsessed with, I feel like she's more of like a sophisticated beauty. So with the sophisticated beauty that she is, I paired her with my Coach C chain strap. And I feel like this works beautifully with her, just like this, just stunning. Like, this is a bag that I will never part ways with. I hardly wear it, but I find it's stunning. And this is a little bit of a tighter shoulder drop than the link straps are. So I just find that that's absolutely beautiful, how the C's just turn out to being a perfect match. And yeah, I felt like this was a good match for this bag. Last but not least, on my red Bandit, I like to pair her with the actual true pride strap. This is just a fun flavoring, if you will, together. It just really, really works well. We've got gold hardware that matches perfectly, and it's just so fun. I love this purse so much. Love it, love it. I love the style of the Bandit, and I know I'm a big bag wearing person. I am a big bag wearing person, but these bags, once I'm in, I can usually go from Bandit to Bandit pretty easily. So they're not too bad to have to downsize to. But nope, here we go with it on the shoulder. You've got the rainbows here, and then the red bag. It's so beautiful with the hang tag. So pretty. My shirt's dirty. So anywho, that's them all together. And here's the two Bandits. This is what the two straps look like side by side. You can totally tell that this is kind of like the pastel version, and this is the bold pride strap. They had the pride strap on deep sale on the Coach outlet recently for like $78. I believe they're sold out now, but you can sometimes, if you call Coach, they may still have them in stock. And then this one's definitely in stock. This is a newer release for this season, I believe. And I believe it retails for $195 USD, but they're beautifully made. There they are together, and I just love my little beauties here. So, all right, that's all I got for today. I hope you guys have had a really good weekend so far. I hope you have a really good week ahead, and let me know if you like to accessorize your bags with any kind of straps, if you like Coach, if you like Bandits. And yeah, thanks for joining in the fun today. Take care. Bye-bye.